finally came up with is that we've got to do something to move traffic in emergencies, and that's NTS, OK, National Traffic System, Oklahoma. We will be using, or have been using, WinLink, and that's what we're here to talk about today. WinLink, anybody here familiar with WinLink? Okay. Anybody using WinLink consistently? Yeah, okay. The Digital Brothers, I understand that. I'm sure they're there. WinLink is an email system for amateur radio operators by amateur radio operators. It is a piece of software that is developed that you can run on your machine to do email, and you can transmit the data via 13 different methods. So if you're doing your email, you enter your to and from and all that kind of stuff, and then you can transport it over the internet is one of them. VHF is another one. HF is another mode. Satellite connections, moon bounce, all kinds of different connectors to make those things happen. So if you want to move traffic, the goal is in a severe weather situation or a damage, bombing situation, you could set up and pass emails directly out from your laptop, your radio, that would hit to the public network. So if I wanted to send a message to Fred Jones at FEMA.gov, I can make that happen over the radio without the 1,000 watts and the big antennas. We are currently showing the 705s. Who's got 705s in the room? Icons? Okay, 2, 3. They're starting to get popular. That's on the order of 5 and 10 watts, depending on how you battery them. We've got a guy in Norman that has a 705, a 3-foot loop that he puts on a tripod, and he can pull that out and have it operational with a battery-powered laptop, a battery-powered radio, and a 3-foot loop in 17 minutes, and he can start sending, he can have messages sent in 17 minutes up and running anywhere in the world. HF, VHF, it will run, the VHF runs to a local station, the HF runs to either Tulsa, Illinois, Colorado, Iowa, or South Texas. And that's actually here in our world. That is typically what we end up doing. So the back-end storage is managed by the public internet. All the messages stay on a set of Amazon servers that are out public. There are 3 redundant servers that make that happen. And there's a 4th non-Amazon server, so that in case Amazon trips like they have done in the past, they have another server that will still stay up and running in San Diego. The software to do this, how many here have a sound card modem and do FT8 kind of stuff? Good. You already have the hardware ready to go. It uses the same sound card modem that all the rest of the FT stuff does. If you wish, all of this presentation and the slides and the video that I did in Norman is all at ok.arrl.org/NTSOK software. If you just go to okarrl.org, you'll be able to find it from the main page there, but that should get you the stuff. So the software is pretty easy. If you've done any Windows installations, it's a 3-piece effort. One is the WinLink Express, which is the email program that you actually run.